In a data center, when you have your mission-critical applications running on individual devices, it's important to have power redundancy, and UCS is no different. With UCS, we support 3 different power redundancy models. The first one is non-redundant, where we can actually use all of the power supplies in the chassis for all of the servers in the chassis. And you can actually, in some cases, depending upon the size of your installation, you could potentially run your whole chassis on a single power supply. There's also a mode that we call N+1. So you take the total number of power supplies that you need to support your servers. So for instance, if I need 2, I just add another one so that if I lost a power supply, I could actually have that other one fail over for that one power supply that I lost. Finally, the redundancy that most everybody is looking for in the data center is that I want to actually have 2 different power sources plugged into my UCS chassis. So for instance, if one of my power circuits goes down, I'm actually running redundantly off a second power circuit inside the data center. So this mode gives me the most redundancy and the most protection across my environment versus N+1, where I could actually lose a circuit and then actually lose the power supplies that are running on that circuit, which may be more than one in that case, taking my system down. Where with grid redundancy, if I lose a circuit, I still have enough on my second circuit to be able to power the chassis. That concludes Lesson 4.